Hello everyone, do you like cauliflower? Then try this new recipe with French beans. You'll truly love it because this cauliflower French bean fry is truly awesome and you can have it directly without any chapati, roti or rice. So let us start, let us see how to prepare this. So first of all, you need a whole cauliflower. You need to select a fresh one from the market and then French beans. For one whole cauliflower, you need at least 150 grams of French beans. Now clean it properly, wash it with water and then chop it finely. See, your French bean and the cauliflower should be of the same size. And then the center part of the cauliflower you need to remove nicely, and that should be not too long. Your cauliflower should be very finely chopped. And then you need some chilies over here, that is around 10 to 12. You need 10 to 12 of chilies. Now take a kadai, switch on the stove and add 7 tablespoons of oil into it. Because we are frying here, we need that oil. And then add all the chopped chilies into it. First we need to add chilies into it because once they get fried, the flavor of the chilies gets into the oil. And then add all the chopped cauliflower and French beans into it. Do not over stir here. So don't over stir. You need to stir it from the bottom only. And then leave it with the lid closed for 5 minutes and then add salt to taste and little bit of turmeric, that is 1/4 spoon of turmeric, and then stir it nicely so that the salt and the turmeric powder gets nicely mixed with the French beans and the cauliflower. Now again, that was for the first round, and again after you mix it, add a little more bit of turmeric powder and then a little bit of ginger garlic paste, that also half a tablespoon is good. Now after that, stir it nicely and then close the lid and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will see a little bit of water oozing out of the cauliflower. So that is the time you need to add a little bit of chili powder, very little. After you add the chili powder, stir it properly and then close the lid and allow it to cook for 10 more minutes. That's it. Your cauliflower French beans fry is all ready. It just takes only 15 to 20 minutes and you are all done with this new cauliflower French bean recipe.